A universe of possibilities stretches out before us, vast and enigmatic, exploring the appeal of Doomsday. This fascination with the end of times is not new. The universe is vast and mysterious, filled with countless wonders and unknowns. It's natural to wonder about its end and our place in it. The concept of Doomsday has intrigued humanity for centuries. Doomsday scenarios, from asteroid impacts to global pandemics, capture our imaginations. These dramatic visions of the future often reflect our deepest anxieties. These scenarios tap into our primal fears of the unknown. They resonate with our inherent need to understand and prepare for what we cannot see. They offer a sense of control in the face of uncertainty. By imagining the worst, we feel we can somehow manage the chaos, but how much of this fear is rooted in reality? Are these doomsday scenarios likely, or are they just products of our overactive imaginations? The allure of doomsday preppers is understandable. They seek to be ready for any eventuality, driven by a desire to protect themselves and their loved ones. They stockpile supplies and develop survival skills, preparing for a future that may never come. Their dedication to readiness is admirable. While their dedication is admirable, their focus might be misplaced. Instead of fixating on the improbable, we can turn our attention to more pressing concerns. Climate change, social inequality, and global health are issues that demand our immediate attention. By addressing these, we can create a more secure and sustainable future. In the end, the appeal of Doomsday lies in our quest for meaning and control. But true resilience comes from facing our real-world challenges head-on. By focusing on what we can change, we can build a better world for ourselves and future generations. Cosmic threats, fact versus fiction. Hollywood loves a good disaster movie. Asteroids hurtling towards Earth, supervolcanoes erupting, the sun going supernova. These make for thrilling cinema. But how accurate are these depictions? The truth is, many cosmic events that could threaten humanity are incredibly rare. Take asteroid impacts. While Earth has been struck by asteroids in the past, these events are infrequent. Scientists constantly track near-Earth objects, and we have the technology to potentially deflect a dangerous asteroid. The risk is real, but it's not an immediate threat. Earth's enduring spirit, a history of resilience. Our planet has weathered its share of storms, literally. From ice ages to volcanic eruptions, Earth has seen it all. Life, too, has proven remarkably adaptable. It has survived and thrived through countless challenges. This resilience should give us hope. The history of our planet is a testament to its ability to recover. While we face challenges like climate change, we can draw inspiration from Earth's past. We have the capacity to adapt and innovate, finding solutions to the problems we face. The human factor, psychology of doomsday prepping. The appeal of doomsday prepping goes beyond logic. It often stems from a desire for control in an uncertain world. The act of preparing can provide a sense of agency, a feeling that we are not powerless. However, this focus on worst-case scenarios can be detrimental. Constantly dwelling on negative possibilities can lead to anxiety and fear. This can paralyze us, preventing us from taking positive action. Instead of fixating on what might go wrong, we can channel our energy into building a better future. Section 5, the probability problem, focusing on the likely. While it's prudent to be prepared for various scenarios, we should focus on all of threats that we face. Climate change, for example, is a clear and present danger that cannot be ignored. Its effects are already being felt worldwide, from rising sea levels to extreme weather events. Yet it receives less attention from doomsday preppers than hypothetical asteroid impacts or other likely catastrophes. While stockpiling supplies for an emergency is very important, we can also invest in sustainable living practices that benefit us now and in the future. We can reduce our carbon footprint by adopting eco-friendly habits like reusing and repurposing items instead of throwing them away. These actions have an impact on our future also. By focusing on all of the likely possibilities and taking proactive steps, we can create a more sustainable and resilient world for ourselves and future generations. It's about making choices that matter, choices that ensure the well-being of our planet and its inhabitants. Simple actions like using reusable water bottles or reducing plastic waste can collectively make a significant difference. Let's focus on what we can do today to address the most probable threats and build a better tomorrow. Section 6, everyday disasters preparing for the expected. While cataclysmic events make headlines, it's the everyday disasters that are more likely to affect us. House fires, floods, power outages, these are the events we should be prepared for. Having a plan and essential supplies for these situations is far more practical than prepping for a zombie apocalypse. Simple steps like having a first aid kit, knowing CPR, and creating a family emergency plan can make a real difference. These preparations are not about succumbing to fear, but about taking responsibility for our well-being. Section 7, the power of now, embracing the present. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get lost in the hustle and bustle, constantly thinking about what comes next. The allure of doomsday prepping often stems from a fear of the future. We worry about what might go wrong, and this fear can become all-consuming. It's easy to get caught up in anxieties about what might happen. We find ourselves overwhelmed by the endless possibilities of disaster, losing sleep over things that may never come to pass. However, this focus on the negative can rob us of the joy of the present moment. When we are constantly looking ahead, we miss out on the beauty and happiness that is right in front of us. We only get one life, and it's happening right now. Every moment we spend worrying about the future is a moment we lose in the present. Instead of dwelling on worst-case scenarios, let's embrace the beauty and wonder of the present. There is so much to appreciate if we just take a moment to look around. Let's connect with loved ones, pursue our passions, and make the most of every day. Spend time with friends and family, engage in activities that bring you joy, and cherish the moments that make life special. Life is too short to be consumed by anxieties about the future. By letting go of our worries, we can fully immerse ourselves in the present, finding peace and contentment in the here and now. Embracing the present can be as simple as taking a deep breath, meditating, or spending time in nature. These small acts can ground us and remind us of the beauty of the moment. Practicing mindfulness and engaging in hobbies we love can help us stay anchored in the present. Whether it's painting, gardening, or simply enjoying a cup of tea, these activities can bring us joy and fulfillment. Ultimately, the key to embracing the present is to cherish the moments we have with the people we love. These moments are fleeting, and by appreciating them, we can lead a more fulfilling and joyful life. Section 8, building a better future, shifting our focus. Instead of preparing for the end of the world, let's realize that our lives will be punctuated with emergencies, and if we stock up and get prepared, we can let our minds relax a little. Take a positive view and focus on creating a world worth saving. Let's channel some of our energy and resources into solving the problems that face us today. Wastefulness, poverty, disease. These are challenges we can overcome if we work together. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the capacity for compassion to make a real difference. By focusing on solutions rather than fears, we can create a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come. Section 9, Conclusion, Beyond Doomsday, a Call to Action. The universe is a vast and awe-inspiring place. While it's natural to ponder its end, let's not be consumed by fear. Instead of preparing for doomsday, let's prepare for life. Let's focus on the present moment, embrace our collective resilience, and work together to build a better future. Look, at survivalcavefood.com, we sell emergency food, so yeah, I want you to prepare. But I want you to prepare so that you can feel like you can take on any emergency, and I want you to have peace of mind. Now do me a little favor and subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Let me hear your story, and let's help more people out. Comment about your preparedness below. The universe is full of possibilities. Let's explore them with courage, hope, and a commitment to creating a world we can all be proud of.